Wow. That's just crazy. I'll take this whole damn block down here soon. Look at that. Holy shit. I could have used that paneling for the shed. Something must have happened when they stopped.
Yeah, he said I'll take it to the job.
Wow.
Why are we spraying it down with water?
So it doesn't catch on fire. All stuff sparks when it falls. Bricks and steel and nails. Check out the little bar tap thingy. That's cool. I'm going to go across the street and get a better video of it. Yeah, I like that barrel bar tap display. That's cool. Alright, buddy, there's a lot of dust accumulating here. You noticed it? Get the hell out of here. It might be asbestos. We don't breathe that shit. Let's go over here and bug this guy like we're not supposed to. You getting ready to knock it down, or you guys watching to make sure it doesn't fall?
Well, we're getting ready to knock it down once we get all the inside cleared out, so that once it falls in, it doesn't all slide back out. So.
I see. Good thinking.
Yeah.
I thought you were worried you were going to like bump it and the whole thing was going to come down.
Yeah, we're trying to keep it out of the street as much as we can, so.
Pretty wild.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too.
Well, check it out. There's a mural on the wall. See, there's like painting on the wall. I wonder if I can get a shot of it. That's really cool.
That guy's good. Someone's gonna come and push that guy.
Talk like that. It could happen now.
Yeah.
People die on construction sites all the time. I actually knew a guy, girl I dated, went to meet one of her buddies, and I met her and her boyfriend that day. And we were supposed to go hang out and have a cookout. Like a week or so later, a couple days later, he was doing a construction job, and a big wall fell on him and killed him. I just met the guy. I barely even met him. I didn't remember his name. It was one of those.
Wow.
Heard a few days later, it passed. I couldn't believe it.
Wow, that's sad.
Yeah, weird. Life's strange like that. Why they call it an accident? With that, it's over. Looks like it's about that time. He's getting out of the way.
I'll pick up my friend by his parents.
I wish he'd knock that back wall off. We could have used from the alley. Looks like he's trying to maneuver and turn around to get the back wall. Ooh. Oh, shit. That was great. Take that. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Wow. Oh, damn, I felt the ground shake. come. Get it. Oh, he's trying to keep it from falling in the street. Come on, fall on the road and shake the ground again, damn it. Ooh, take that. That's cool. There we go. That was a whole lot of wooden stuff there. A whole wooden wall in the middle.
Push it. Mark.
Get back here. They're still working. It sounds like a machine somewhere. Oh, look at that. It was like a little fireplace in the wall.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, we never seen of that. Wow, they really took down that wall. Yeah,
Wow, I see it.
What's this a broom?
Looks like they broke it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why they left it.
This one shook the ground.
Yeah, we got the video when this fell over.
Look at all your lumber, Dad.
I know, right? All smashed to bits. Hey, the bar tap's still there. Huh. Holy shit, there's a safe.
Oh, that's a big one, too.
That's a safe.
There's a what?
Safe. See how thick the walls are and got a big bar that slides out? That's an old safe. Too bad there ain't a bunch of money in there. I'm sure they already looked though. That's an old one. Not ancient, but old. And there's the problem. It says meth in the doorway. There's the problem.
So what do you do that? What does it do? I don't understand what that do. Yeah.
Tell if it's a big desk in there or kitchen countertop. That's what it was. It's like cabinets were on the wall. That was a kitchen.
Okay, so this is a deal forever. People scare me than I have to do this right now. Here we go.
Yeah, that was a kitchen. Some kind of stainless steel dispensers built right in the counter. I don't know what they were. I think this was a bar a long time ago.
There's a bunch of drawings on the wall. On that piece.
Yeah, people broke in and spray painted. Much better video spot. That's probably the door right there.
Oh, there's another one down there. Really? Yeah.
Another what? Doorway?
Two bowls in there. Water bowl.
Oh.
Someone's feeding a kid.
Yeah.
The big door sitting there.
Front door. And a closed door.
Wow. There's no door.
Alright, let's get out before we get in trouble.
Kitty. Two kittens. Kitties. Oh, wow. Jeez. Oh my god.